Guys, welcome back to Misty of Gamesy. Today I'm going to be showing you a tutorial how to copy and paste your Roblox avatar inside the game. So first we are going to want to hit the play button right up here, and right above the home model avatar and all that other stuff is going to be rotate. You're going to want to click on your avatar, go over here to the Explorer page, right click and copy. Then you want to click stop, and you're gonna want to click paste, and probably somewhere around the map you're gonna find your Roblox avatar spawned in, and there you go. Now you have your Roblox avatar in the game. But what do you do if you don't already have this, like all the scripts over here? Then you're gonna want to go to plugins. You're gonna want to go to view, then click explore and properties. So then you'll have all of the files and all the models, and just you'll find but then you have to go to workspace. Scroll until you find your avatar, and there you go. You'll have 8 unlocked. Anyway guys, thanks for watching this tutorial. Hope you have a good day. Please remember to subscribe, and bye!